how to make a drop-down list on Google Sheet. To do that, first of all, install the Google Sheet on your device, whether it is your computer or your mobile phone. If you have already installed the Google Sheets on your device, then just open the file that you want to. Now, what you can simply do is, if you want to create a drop-down list here, then I'll just select this two. So yeah, after selecting this two, on the top right side, you will see there are 3 vertical dots. So when you tap on this option, what you can simply do is tap on the date validation option. And now you can simply tap the items, whatever you want to. So if I have done this and clicked on the right button, and go back and tap on save. And now you can see there is the option of drop down list. When you tap on this, you can just select anyone. And again, tap on this and select anyone. Like this, you can just tap as many options that you want to and create the drop down list. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.